Hey there, in this episode of Sales and Tales, we take a look at a 1985 Liberty 38. I really wanted to get this boat. I'm not sure if it was because it was the first boat that we looked at. They say that you always fall in love with the first one. But she was kind of sad looking, and I felt sorry for her, and I wanted to bring her back to life. But the captain said, hell no.
For me.
What did you think about the boat?
I don't know. I think it's really small, to be honest. Good morning.
Good morning. What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to get your car registered and see if we can talk to the realtors.
Realtors.
Yeah.
What are we going to do? Sell our house?
Yes, we are.
Ready to see buddy?
And that should do it.
We're out of here.
Yep. We are out of here. Heading North Carolina.
Who's cold?
So here we are, the Alabama Welcome Center, on our way to North Carolina.
Halfway there.
Pretty much. It's a long half left to go.
Yeah.
And a short time to get there.
Mm-hmm.
This is part of our downsizing and moving to the coast and buying a boat relocation.
Yeah, it's been so much fun so far.
It's got to get better.
Yeah. Hey, thanks for watching. In the next video, we look at a ton of boats, all up and down the East Coast from Maryland to Florida. And, well, we actually buy one. So tune in to tale number 4.